Hello guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Hope RBI. In this particular lecture, I'm going to talk about the important sources that you need to refer to for the preparation of economics section for the SEBI Grade-A examination 2022. This video will be really short because there is only one source that you need to check out, that is your NCERT books of economics. And which NCERTs do you need to refer to? The NCERTs of only class 12th. Okay, only class 10+2 economics is needed for this particular examination, and both the books, there are two books in the of economics in 12th class. The first is your introduction to microeconomics and the second is introduction to macroeconomics. You need to check out both these books, and these books will cover 100% of your syllabus mentioned in the SEBI Grade-A examination. It is very important for you to understand the concepts from this particular book. It is very easy to understand, but even if you think that you are not able to read these books on your own because the time is less, you can check out a very beautiful channel on YouTube, which is Srijan India 1. Srijan India 1, and this person has made two playlists. One is your 12th Microeconomics NCERT and one is 12th Macroeconomics NCERT. You need to check out all the videos of all these playlists because he has explained the NCERT book line to line and cited some of the most interesting examples so that you would be able to understand the concepts as well as remember the things that you need for your examination. When I took the examination in 2021, I witnessed some of the most easier questions of economics section in the examination, and the level was very easy for me only by reading this particular source. So you don't need to go anywhere else, just read NCERT class economics 12th books, both of these books, and you will be good to go for this exam. And that will be it for the series for the SEBI Grade-A examination preparation. You might be wondering, what about the finance section? What about the management section? The finance section and management section, I have made individual videos for the RBI Grade B preparation. You can check these videos out. The sources which I am going to study for the RBI Grade B are really very important for the SEBI Grade-A also, because the syllabus is almost similar. For the management section, RBI in the latest 2021 notification eliminated the syllabus of human resource management or human resource development, but for SEBI it is mentioned to prepare human resource management and human resource development. And the sources which I have mentioned for the management preparation, they do contain these two topics, so you will be good to go. Okay, so you have to prepare all of those subjects, finance and management, from the sources which I've already referred to for the RBI Grade B preparation. I will link both of these videos here in the iCard flashing right in front of you, or on the description box. So that is it for the SEBI Grade A preparation. If you have any doubts regarding anything mentioned in this video or regarding the SEBI Grade A preparation, you can definitely ask me down in the comment section, and I will be happy to resolve every query of yours. Every comment is really very beneficial to be resolved, because at the end of the day, when you are preparing, you should have no doubts regarding your preparation, and you should be able to seamlessly prepare for the examination. So that is my main focus here, and that should be your main focus as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please share the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much. Have a great day.